Seattle, baby.
Join me on a day trip to Seattle as I shoot not one, but 2 different music videos. Here's my 24 hours in Seattle. I just took a little break. I have 35 minutes left of the drive. Those first like 2.5 hours were crazy easy, so I'm sure I'll be there in no time. For the first location, I met up with the artist Dwoodz 2G. We shot this really cool isolated forest area for about an hour, and that hour flew by. We just wrapped up some forest shots. We should be dropping this video sometime in March, but make sure you check out his YouTube in the meantime.
Dwoodz 2G, Dwoodz with a Z, number 2G. YouTube on all that.
Our way to a photo studio that we have booked for 1 hour. I'm definitely excited. This is what the space looks like. We didn't really vlog in the studio since our time in the space was so limited. But once that shoot was wrapped up with, I met with Mac. And after that, I unboxed a brand new beanie design that you guys will see at the end of this video. On my way to the second shoot, I had to hit a couple classic Seattle spots. First, we hit the Seattle waterfront. Alright, we just wrapped up some scenes at the pier. That's where we are, right?
Oh, Pier 60.
Pier 60, yeah. We got stair shots, beanie, flicker shots.
We got some
I don't even know what to call it. Those ones are gonna be the best though.
We're running and gunning.
Yeah.
We did this in 10 minutes. If anybody asks.
Pretty much, right? Yeah, so we're gonna grub up a little bit, get some Shake Shack. Quick little food stop. Mac has to run an errand. I got like some basic burger and fries. I'm just gonna kick it at his crib for a little bit, but he'll be back in a second. And then once it got dark, we hit the Space Needle. The guy in the elevator hit us with a basic tourist speech that I know Mac has definitely heard at least a couple dozen times. Anyways, would it be a proper behind the gill episode if we didn't do a fit breakdown?
I'm gonna keep it real simple, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I got the torque beanie on my head, man. We got multiple flavors, but today we went with the orange. You know what I'm saying? Today we went with the North Face on the shell. You know what I'm saying? $20 Stelio. Insulated pants, you know what I'm saying? Outside, keep them full. And you know what I'm saying? You're probably not gonna see these. You know, if you know, you know. If you don't got them, it's because I do. It's him.
Yo, beanie on the head.
Okay.
Velour zip up hoodie.
Okay.
All the way up. I don't know what brand it is. I don't know what brand
Hey, it don't even matter.
They got some overalls.
Yup. Gotta have the beaters.
Yeah.
These the outsiders.
This is I'm going to Seattle and don't want to ruin my other shoes.
Be outside, man. Did it again.
I tried to flick up at this selfie station, but it wouldn't even let me log in, so I don't know what the deal with that was.
They don't want us to be successful.
I gave the camera to Mac so I could give you guys an update on how this trip went. I got a 3-hour drive home tonight. I'm actually not tired like I thought I'd be.
For sure. No, that's good. I feel like when you're having fun, you don't get too tired, man.
Exactly.
You know
I feel like when I'm driving home, it's gonna hit me there. I'm ready to pull over, get gas, drink a Red Bull, get some snacks, and
we got free Red Bull at the house.
Yeah, bro.
No need.
Yeah, I forgot.
You traveled the whole B&W. Basically. Is this the most videos you've done in a day, or like kind of like the most travel you've done in a day for a shoot or a couple shoots?
I've done 2 videos in a day, but it was with the same artist. This is the first time with different artists.
Okay, heard.
Shout out Macscotti and shout out Dwoodz.
Hey, hello. We outside, man. If you haven't heard of us, we on the way.
Oh, no, I haven't been up here since I was like 10.
Oh, easy.
5th grade, however old that is. Yeah, bro, I had the buck teeth and all. I think I was wearing like a Wolverine shirt. What would you say your favorite clip of the day was?
Honestly, getting the kids and the jits to say those lyrics. This is not a pay ass Macscotti talking.
And that was a wrap for the shooting for the day. I'm driving back at 8:47. I should get there like right at midnight. I just got to a rest stop. 10 out of 10 trip, lots of fun. I got some good night's rest, and then I opened up a beanie sample. After looking through the beanie, I noticed a couple things I need to be changed. But here's the first look at the new beanie I will be releasing in a month or 2. Is this something you guys plan on picking up? Let me know. But that's all I got for the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching. Love. Comped.
Free ski.